We are here at the Aldridge Sawmill, as you can see. Going to do a little exploring, some spirit box sessions, maybe some EVPs, do a little night vision. So let's get to it. Alright, let's see here. I forgot to tell you, I'm here with my buddy Johnny. He's right there.
Howdy.
We're going to do a little exploring. Wonder what happened to the roof to this place?
No, that's a good question.
Like, where'd it go? All kinds of graffiti up in here. In 1850 something, it was built.
I think they closed it in the 20s now?
Yeah, I think so.
Hole in the wall right there. Kind of freaked out.
Yeah, that is a little weird. Huh? Is it?
The black part of the heart right there is the white.
Last time I went in this thing, fucking tripped and hurt my ankle.
Yeah, it's the same.
Hola! Last time I walked through here, there's a huge spider web right here. Or was it over there? Let's go in there. All kinds of graffiti.
Somebody knows Scotty.
Right?
I think most of it that comes down here goes the other direction.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Back on the bridge, back from the road here, somebody had turned back. Somebody written on it.
Chelsea. Zach. Ah, yes, I remember. Last time I was here, that was on that.
Me too, yeah, that's been over there for a while. That's a couple times over there.
What do you think this was to?
Maybe it, I'm guessing it held up some of the machinery. I'm guessing back then the machinery was made out of iron. It was so heavy they had to have a concrete.
Dead long leg. Where'd he go? There he is. Hi, guy. He's like, leave me alone. The other building's over there, isn't it?
No, it's over here on the other side of it.
Oh.
The one with the roof on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the really creepy. It's strange. This one here does have a roof.
Yeah, it has a roof. There's a bunch of holes. See anything in there? Anybody home? I'm gonna try to get in this other building. We're gonna do a spirit box session in there. Ah, yes. There she be. All the way up there. Their windows weren't very big.
It doesn't even seem like that this was even a door, doesn't even seem like.
No, I think this was a silo. Or something to it, because there's like a little opening there. And there's the bat. He was here last time. Where'd he go? Where'd you go, Felt? There you are. He was here last time. Something. Tell you what, it did get warm in here. It's Batman. The bat symbol. Look, there's a fire. Someone started a fire. Like a little campfire. Alright, we are in the silo area. See if we could get anything in our spirit box. Let's check it out. Is there anybody here with us? There we go. Anybody want to say hello?
Make this little red light light up.
Huh? Right. I got an idea. Set it on this rock right here. Right there. Anybody want to come say hello? What is your name? Did you die here? How many are there of you? Do you not want to speak to us? Johnny's over there. There we go. Give us your name. Did you work here? Alright. I don't think this thing's working right now. We'll leave it on, go to the other room, I guess, maybe? Anybody want to speak to us?
Give us your sign. Go rock. Take a tree. Make this little light light up.
We're like way out in the boonies. We shouldn't be able to get any signal out here from radio, right?
I wouldn't think so. Maybe the cell signal out here.
Yeah.
Somewhat, actually.
Trying to remember where it was we saw that. I think it was right here. It's a big ass. No, not right here. I don't remember. Alright, I'm gonna turn this thing off for now. The hell?
Gnarly looking.
That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah. I don't want to run into what runs in that hole though all the time.
I see spiders in there. That's for sure.
There's a snake that takes up residence in there too.
Yeah, probably. Wait, stop! That's where it was.
Wow.
That's the guy we saw. He is wicked looking. It's safe this way. Hi there. Well, I'm just glad they're non-aggressive. I did some...
About all the mosquitoes and shit that he catches every night.
Yeah. Kinda figuring that's why I haven't been bitten too much. Alright.
Bitten much yet?
No, not much.
I'm afraid bugs
I know
will
there's
come in
pillars
and
this way. Right?
Yeah, those
Let's go see
whatever this way is out here.
Ugh.
Whoop, stop.
What? Whoa. You kidding me? Spirit box. That thing's going crazy. Can't even barely see it. Your phone. Oh shit. Drop my shit. Ugh.
There's somebody here. Keep making it do that.
We want to talk. Alright, do another spirit box session because this thing's going crazy. This is not this
I know
making
it's not anything you've got to sit at all.
Are you here? You want to talk? Here, hold this for a second. Maybe we'll talk to you. You want to talk? I just saw you lighting that up.
We know there's there you go. We know there's somebody out here. Now, if you'll just talk to us, we can hear you. We don't hear you right now, but we'll hear you later on, I'm sure.
They're both going crazy, you see?
It's weird them both going off like that.
Hold on. Trying to see if it's my camera. No. Not my
At
camera.
first I thought it was, if you got like a cell phone in your pocket or anything.
I do. But you would have heard it go off.
I would, yeah. But it's
Because
still
it's not on
nothing.
silent.
Light it up again.
There's like no way it could be electricity.
If it was, it wouldn't be going on and off like
Right.
that.
Are you out here? You want to talk?
You know something is out here. Whoever you are, you might as well let us know you're here. I know you're out here already.
Did I just say something?
Nope.
Verify. What is it? This way?
It's in this direction.
This way? I don't want to go in there.
I don't either.
You get all tangled up. Alright. Why don't you come to us with us to the pillars? Alright guys.
Now I'm hitting it again over on this direction.
Our EMF readings have been going off.
I've got another. Yours going off too?
It was. And it's kind of interesting. Because there
Off to the left here.
is no electricity out here. There is nothing. Holy crap. Is it still going off?
And it just stopped again.
I think he wants to follow us to the pillars. Let's go.
going in the right direction.
Alright. We'll leave that spirit box running for a minute.
Here we go again.
Really?
Straight ahead.
Mine didn't go off at all. I think mine's getting ready to die. So I'm just going to put it up. We'll rely on yours.
There we go again.
Alright, go. He's following us. Because look, there's my cell phone. Didn't go off at all. Nothing on my cell phone. It is 10:22. We're getting some readings. The only time the EF meters go off is where they're near electrical lines, or my cell phone goes off, or...
Here we go.
Come on, talk to us. Wait, turn this off for a second. You see that? Get off me, stupid mouse. I hate this. Wow! Look at that! Oh,
Now you can talk to us, right?
we can go night vision. See if I can pick up anything in night vision.
And gone again.
It is pitch black out here, guys.
And back again.
With lights on, I can't see it in my camera, but it's been going off, guys.
It's something, it's moving, whatever it is, it's moving around. It's not in one, if it was a power source, it would be in one direction.
And it'd be constant.
Constant all the time. But something out here is making this go off.
Alright, let's go over here.
Keep doing it. We're apparently going in the right direction.
Alright.
Did you have an accident on this machinery and equipment out here?
Maybe that's what these pillars were for. Not a building, but like a machine.
That's because, you know, back in the day, that was all made out of just plain, heavy ass iron. So I'm thinking that's what they supported some kind of machinery.
Yeah. Last time I went walking through these, I ran into like shitload of spider webs.
They held up like the little slide, the big tall slide looking deal that they
Yeah.
you always see at the sawmill.
Oh yeah, yeah. Going off night vision.
That's probably what this is. Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
There we go again.
We're in the right place. We have to be. Are you here with us? You getting a cold chill?
Now that you said something, yeah.
I am getting cold chills right now. Not picking up anything on camera. We're not getting any voices out of the spirit box. But our K2 meter is going crazy.
Is the wind blowing? Yeah. Just slight breeze, but I feel.
Man, it's going nuts.
I do feel a little chill.
Turn this light off and see if we can get it. Hold on. First, let's get to a stopping point. And I'm going to shut this light off if I can find the switch. Alright, make that light up. Come on, you just had... What the hell is that? I swear I just heard somebody. Is that you?
Oh, there we go again. Wow.
Seriously?
It's just...
There you go. Is that better? Now that the spirit box is off? You getting weaker? That way?
Yeah.
Are you standing right in front of us?
No, it's...
Don't go away.
That is so weird.
Get back here. We want to see you. Night vision mode.
There can't be any... There can't be any other kind of signal out here. We've already... There we go. We've already ruled out what we're carrying on us.
You see that? You can see it light up from right here, because none of my lights are flashing right on it. I got my infrared lights on right now. See if I can pick up anything. Well, seems we can't see.
Come on, keep dialing it up. Yeah, the infrared might pick something up, because there's some kind of energy out here that's just... There it goes again. Just lighting this up.
Show yourself in my camera.
And it keeps moving.
The hell was that? Is that a sign for us to go? That was quite a ways away though.
Yeah, it ain't nowhere close.
Can you stand on those pillars right there? About in there somewhere.
Or are you just following us around? Just checking us out.
Turning up night vision. Turn on my light. Alright. Is there anything else that way? Or is this the last part of it?
I think that's the last part of it, because I've walked a little bit past it and I haven't seen it.
I think there's a lake or pond that way.
I would not doubt it. It's probably another sawmill pond, yeah.
Alright guys, I think I'm going to conclude this video for today. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. Hopefully I'll have more videos soon. See you next time.